In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a high converting landing page in minutes with AI. So traditionally, people depended on page builders like Pagefly or Gem Pages, etc. The downside of these is that they use templates. So everything is generic. They don't have any context of your site. So you need to make sure that it's on brand, and that takes a lot of work. And lastly, a lot of them don't actually build the page in Shopify. You are dependent on them to render that page. So if there's any further edits you want to make, you need to go back to that editor, and you don't fully own that page. But in this tutorial, we're going to see how you can do this with Fudge in minutes. Okay, now I'm just going to open up the Shopify Appstore. I'm going to search for Fudge over here. There it is. It will take me to the listing page, and over here, I'm going to click it and open it up in a new tab. Okay, we have Fudge open. There's a ton you can do here. You can either create a landing page by just entering exactly what you want, but I'm going to rather click here at the top, create something new, select landing page, and then I'm going to let Fudge know that it's for a paid ad. So Fudge is busy looking at what ads are currently being run in Meta. It's also pulling up the different skills it needs to build a best practice landing page that converts. This company is currently running 7 different campaigns. For the sake of this demo, I'm going to click on the first one, the birthday sale. Now that Fudge knows what campaign we want to build a landing page for, it's going to investigate the actual details of the ads further. It's going to see what the hook is. It's going to see what products are being sold. And it's also going to combine that with best practices of what's worked well in the past. So here it's pulling up all of that information. Okay, great. It's found out the details. It's now suggesting a high-level format and layout for this landing page. But it's going to first ask me a few clarifying questions. So here it's loading them. It's asking me which page format I'd prefer. Let's go with hero offer. And it's also just going to confirm what products we want to actually show on that page. I selected bestsellers. So now it's just ironing out the details. There we go. That's a high-level overview of the page it's going to build. Let's go ahead and create it. Okay, so here we have the page. It's all built in Shopify. It starts as a draft, so there's no risk to your live site. All the products work out the box. Here you can see me adding a product. And now I'm just going to scroll through the rest of the page to give you an idea of what this landing page looks like. If there's anything you want to edit, you can jump into the editor. So here, there's several different ways that you can actually adjust this page. The first is just selecting certain things. So I'm clicking on the photo. I can insert new ones, pull some from the library, or I can click on specific text, adjust it, adjust the font, adjust the size, move things around. Now I'm actually going to look at how we can move around sections. You can drag and drop, or you can delete them, or you can simply just hide them. You can also ask the agent to do anything. Here I'm going to ask it to insert a countdown timer for this sale, which ends on the 26th of April. What the agent is doing now is it's finding exactly where in the code it needs to do this. You don't need to do anything. It builds it the exact same way that a Shopify developer would. So after this has been built, you can actually also go into the Shopify Liquid code yourself to see what it's done. So here you can see it's inserting this countdown timer. Let's take a look at it. If I scroll down, there you have it, sale ends. Now that I'm happy with the page, let's go and review the changes and publish. The final step is to actually publish this page. You can preview it one final time. You can still ask the agent a few questions here, such as what the URL is, and what exactly will happen once you click publish. Over here, you'll be able to see that all the SEO details are also filled out for you. You can go and edit these if you'd like to. I'm not going to do that now. I'm just going to make sure that this page is indexed, and then I'm going to click on publish. And that's it. I hope you found that useful. These pages work because everything stays consistent. Same persona, same angle, from the ad all the way through to the landing page. It takes minutes to spin up, so you can also try different formats, such as listicles and advertorials. Once you find something that works, keep iterating. If you have any questions or need some help getting set up, please reach out. Cheers.